Hi, this is Gizmo Guy. Today I'm going to show you how you can connect your iPhone or your smartphone to your Tacoma 2011 Tacoma Factory Radio without Bluetooth. You can see that this one comes with FM, CD, even plays MP3, but it has no Bluetooth. And the way how you can tell whether you have Bluetooth or not, you simply look at the steering wheel. If it does not have the extra control, then you do not have Bluetooth. So I'm going to show you how you can easily add Bluetooth to this factory radio here, Tacoma Factory Radio, without a new radio or any sort of modification. You simply use my device from Gizmo Guy Gadget, from GizmoGuyGadgets.com, Simply use my gadget and you can add Bluetooth function to your factory radio and your car will work just like a brand new car. Let me show you. So my gadget comes like this. This is a display unit for control, and the other end is just wire, and one end is the USB. The other one is the 3.5 millimeter connections. All you have to do is connect the USB part of it to the cigarette lighter for power. So GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Connect this to this. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now you're ready to enjoy all your smartphone features from your smartphone right through this factory radio. Let me show you how. So we connect this to the cigarette lighter for power. So you simply plug this in. That's all you have to do. Now you have Bluetooth function to your Tacoma Factory Radio. Okay, let me show you. So first, once we plug it in for power, turn it on. Set your car radio to 87.9. 87.9, which is matches to the setting over here, 87.9. That's it. That's all you have to do. Let me show you. We turn this up, and we turn it off. Turn it back on, and listen.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting for connection.
This one takes a little longer, but let me do it again. Make sure the radio is turned up. We turn it on. You get in the car.
Mode. Waiting for connection. Connected.
That's it. That's all you have to do. Now you're ready to enjoy all your music, podcast, news, sports, anything you want to listen to right through your factory radio. Now we're going to activate it. See? And then you'll be able to talk hands-free too with this. When the phone call comes in, simply hit this button, and you'll be able to talk over the phone through the car. So essentially, my gadget will make your car smart. If your car it does not have all the feature, you can totally integrate any smartphone to your older car factory radio without expensive new radios or modification. Simply connect my device to the cigarette lighter and you'll enjoy all your smartphone features right through your factory radio. You can even use voice command such as Siri or Google to command all your functions, even use a GPS map. Okay? So this is the quickest and the easiest way to add Bluetooth function to the factory radio of any car. If you got an older car, a classic car with a factory radio, this is the quickest and the easiest way to add Bluetooth to it. This is Wesley, the Gizmo Guy, and you get my gadget from GizmoGuyGadgets.com. GizmoGuyGadgets.com. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Goodbye.